What you need to know about drug possession laws in Arizona. Did you know Arizona has some of the toughest drug laws in the United States? Even a small mistake can land you in jail for years. Stick around as we break down every consequence tied to drug possession and how to safeguard yourself legally. Arizona takes an uncompromising stance on drug possession. Most cases, particularly involving narcotics or dangerous drugs, qualify as felonies. This can mean years in prison, hefty fines, and a permanent mark on your record. But it doesn't end there. Let's dive into the details. Possessing drugs like methamphetamine, cocaine, or heroin is categorized as a felony in Arizona. Felony convictions often result in prison terms ranging from 1.5 years to 3 years, even for a first offense. The severity escalates rapidly with repeat violations or larger quantities involved. Marijuana may be the only exception. Adults over 21 can legally hold up to 1 ounce. However, possessing more than that or other illegal substances could push you into serious legal trouble, including felony charges. It's not just about jail time. Arizona imposes significant financial penalties. Fines can reach as high as $150,000 depending on the type and quantity of drugs in possession. Such penalties can devastate individuals financially, leaving long-term economic setbacks. For offenders whose charges involve trafficking or distribution, these fines increase exponentially. Combined with possible asset seizures, penalties strike hard and fast. Knowing these stakes can keep you informed and cautious. If it's your first drug offense, Arizona courts may offer alternative penalties like drug treatment programs or probation. It's part of the state's effort to encourage recovery over punishment. Still, these programs require substantial commitment, and completing them often determines whether incarceration is waived. Failing to meet probationary demands or treatment milestones can lead to reinstituted jail sentences. While this path offers leniency, it demands responsibility, making it vital for offenders to follow through completely. Arizona allows marijuana possession for recreational purposes, but with limits. Adults 21 and older can legally possess up to 1 ounce. Violating this limit or engaging in unlicensed distribution reverts legal privileges back to criminal liability. Penalties for possessing more than the legal limit vary. Small overages may incur fines, but larger amounts, especially suggesting an intent to distribute, qualify as felonies. Understanding these rules helps navigate what's legal. Arizona courts assign penalties depending heavily on the drug type and how much was in possession. For example, holding larger amounts of a drug may trigger suspicions of trafficking. This significantly increases penalties, often resulting in minimum mandatory prison sentences. Dangerous drugs like methamphetamines and opioids carry far harsher consequences. Courts consider these substances high risk, prioritizing strict punishments to deter potential misuse or illegal trade. Facing drug charges doesn't mean an automatic conviction. Building a solid defense can help minimize penalties or even overturn charges. This could include proving unintentional possession, improper law enforcement protocol, or insufficient evidence during arrest. A drug conviction can haunt you long after completing a sentence. Restricted employment, limited housing opportunities, and social stigma are just a few ongoing consequences offenders bear. Arizona's rigid drug laws make a strong defense crucial to safeguarding your future potential and opportunities. Arizona's drug possession laws are relentless. Don't fall victim to the system's severity. Whether you're currently facing charges or want to stay informed, take action today by consulting professional legal help at Mesa Criminal Lawyer. Equip yourself with knowledge, defend your rights, and make choices that protect your future.